You know, some of you, God is so proud of you, is why you're going through hell. Some of you don't even realize what you're going through is just God bragging on you, trying to show the devil, this is mine right here. I'm going to take you off your leash for just a season. Go ahead, take away their job. Get them the flat tire. Let somebody betray them. Watch how they still show up, bloody, bruised, and hurting, but still crawl into my presence, still giving me praise. Man, don't disappoint your father in the middle of what you're going through. Man, he bragging on some of y'all from heaven right now. That's why you're going through what you're going through, because he know you can handle that. And I want to say to you, watch, come out on the other side. Somebody shout, come out. You got to know how to live well and suffer well and come out on the other side and not die in the middle of what you're going through. Not give up your faith in the middle of what you're going through. Not give up hope in the middle of what you're going through. Not give up your testimony in the middle of what you're going through. You got to, man, listen to me.